Hey guys, if you want to know how to check if your PayPal account is verified or not, then this is the right video for you, right? So we will just go into the Play Store here, and on the search bar we will type PayPal. Okay, and after searching the PayPal, make sure that you are using the updated version, okay? And in the place of open, if you see a option of update, make sure to update it right now. Then I will open this app, okay? And if you have already logged in into this app, then that's good. But here I have to log in, so just let me log in here. Now this is it guys, you have to now go to your profile icon which is on top left side corner. But if I will click there, there will be a black screen because of privacy. And here if you click on the profile icon, you have to just scroll and you have to click on the help option, which will be third last option, okay? And just click on the help, and after that here it will says that how we can help, okay? And you have to click on resolve an issue and go to the resolution center, and just it will load for a few seconds, so wait for it. And here you have to type your problem, right? Report a problem, and just tap on it. If your resolution center doesn't get open, then you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you have to click on contact PayPal support, okay? And here you can contact with the customer service directly, and here you will get the two message, that is messages, okay? So click on the messages, and in the initial stage a bot will talk to you, but you ask them question that why my account is not verified, and after that a person, a real human, will talk to you, and you can just explain your problem and they will help by verifying your account. They will ask you critical information, and after that you will come to know that whether your account is verified or not. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, make sure to subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.